Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the Google account you want to change. Once signed in, go directly to Account. Google.com and choose Personal Info. Make sure your photo meets Google's guidelines, JPG or PNG under 5 MB and a clear face crop. Now tap the Profile Photo area to start. This is the first actionable step. If you're on mobile, open the Google app or Settings and find Manage Your Google Account. Then Personal Info. Once you tap the profile image, choose Upload Photo or select from Device and pick the image you prepared. You'll see a crop and zoom tool. Use it to center your face and leave appropriate headroom because Google uses a circular mask. Make fine adjustments, rotate if needed, and nudge the zoom so your face is clear at small sizes. When satisfied, hit Done or Save. This replaces the account image across Google services after the change propagates. Finally, you save the new photo and wait a few minutes for Google to sync changes across Gmail, YouTube, and other services. If the new picture doesn't appear, clear your browser cache, reload the page, or sign out and sign back in. That usually forces the update. If it's still missing, verify your account's photo visibility and privacy settings. Make sure it's not restricted. One key troubleshooting tip: check image format and size, because unsupported files silently fail to upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.